Hey guys, Southern Rail fan here to give a retour on Linden Street number 2 railroad crossing in Corinth, Mississippi. I'll have to be careful with this ditch right here, because I slipped in it last time I recorded this crossing and got my shoe all dirty. Got a Siemens base on the first signal. Siemens gate mechanism. Emergency information, text 304-139A. Oh no. Lights on the signal are Safe Train 12 by 24 inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs in them. Got some Alstom LED gate lights. Got a general signals type 3 electronic bell. This is a November 2024 install here. I don't know why the old signal got replaced here that had the Safe Train mechanical bell. Here's facing north toward those loads right there, and Rustler Junction is after this, but I think the next crossing is Gin Road, if I pronounced that correctly. The rear lights, same as the front lines. Here's a look of one of the fresh Safe Train light heads. And here's facing south toward Waldron Street. Let me try that again. Here's facing south toward Waldron Street and the Diamond. Looking good. Second signal, we got a Safe Train base. Safe Train gate mechanism. Pretty low right here compared to the other signal. Emergency information right there. Got some Safe Train 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights. Got some LED incandescent gate lights as well. And here's the rear lights. Relay case right there. Gonna get back now. What happened here? Oh, I don't think this is a gate light cover. Because it's really big. I can hear a church clock bell chime, or clock tower bell chime, wherever it's coming from. It's probably coming somewhere from either one of the churches or, I don't know. One more look at the crossing. This is Southern Rail fan. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.